In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Document Builder in Smartsheet. We'll walk through creating a document mapping using one of Smartsheet's automation templates so that your project data can automatically generate documents for you. Start by opening your project sheet in Smartsheet. Make sure you're in the correct sheet where your project data lives, because the document mapping will be tied to this specific sheet. Once your sheet is open and you see the grid view with your rows and columns, look toward the top menu and click on Automation. This is where Smartsheet keeps all of the workflow and document generation tools. From the automation menu, choose the option that lets you create a workflow from a template. This is usually labeled Create from Template. Using a template is helpful because it comes with pre-configured steps, and you only need to adjust them for your use case instead of building everything from scratch. In the template gallery that opens, you'll see several automation options. Click on the template that's highlighted or recommended for document generation, then click on Use Template. Smartsheet will now create an automation workflow in your sheet based on that template. Inside this new workflow, look for the section related to document creation. You should see an option labeled Select a Mapping. Click on that, then choose Create New Mapping. This is where you'll set up how fields in your sheet connect to fields in your document. A new window for Document Builder will open, titled something like Create a Document Mapping. Follow the prompts on screen. First, select the document you want to use as your template. This is usually a PDF or a compatible document that already has placeholders for your data. Click on the highlighted areas to choose the document source and confirm your selection. Next, you'll map your sheet columns to the fields in that document. For each highlighted field in the document preview, click it, then choose the corresponding column from your Smartsheet. For example, you might map a project name column to a project name field in the document. Work through each highlighted field until everything you need is mapped. When you're done mapping, click Next to review your settings, and then click Done to save the document mapping. You'll be returned to the automation workflow, where the new mapping is now attached to a document generation step. Now configure when this automation should run. In the Trigger section, click on the condition that's set, such as any field, and change it if needed. For example, you might choose a comment so that the document is generated when someone adds a comment to a row. Adjust this based on how you want the process to work for your team. Finally, click Save to save the entire automation. Your document builder mapping is now live, and Smartsheet will generate documents automatically based on the conditions you just set.